'Tis the season to run up your electric bill, so I'm gonna open them and see. Okay, so these are the white ones. These are like a warm white. I love these lights because they're LED, which means that they should last longer. There are 300 in each box. They are indoor, outdoor. These are the multicolored ones. So I'm gonna plug them in over here in a second and we're gonna see. And they are connectable, like up to 4 sets, FYI. I do also have a low voltage plug, which is important because that keeps it safe. Let's plug them in. Trigger warning, if you have issues with like blinking lights, you should look away. What this is about, but there's like a nice long lead before it actually gets to the lights, which I think I love. And we're gonna go through the different light modes. Okay, so real quick. Oh, that's pretty. That's like the red and yellow. And this is the blue and green. Okay, we love that. All right, stop blinking, sir. I'm gonna run through the color cycles. We'll do the colored ones because it's gonna be the same on each. This is combination, and it's kind of blinking back and forth in waves. Slogs, which means it's gonna go blue, red, then the, oh, that's slow fade actually. Oh, that's pretty. And then these come on, that's cool. And this is twinkle, I think, and then steady on. So those are the 8 modes. Let me on. All right. So I love that this is supposed to be waterproof, and I guess that's because this whole lead area is covered. But this is the button that I was pressing to make these lights change colors. Oh, let's connect these two and see. Hold on. Oh, okay, I was looking for the other plug. Okay, so to connect them, it looks like, y'all, I don't know. I'm just figuring this out. Okay, so you take this out of the other one. Okay, I see now. I think I do. And then hopefully you can see that there's like the little male-female type plugs. Okay, there we go. Oh, cool. And then I plugged it in and this one turns back on. Okay, that's cool. So that's how you would extend it up to 4 different sets. And guys, they had everything from like 300 all the way up to like 2,000 LED lights. But I'm gonna turn the lights off real quick so you can see them in the dark. Oh, it's kind of creepy dark in here. They're bright, like very bright. There are no other lights on in this entire filming area. I'm very happy with these. So I'm gonna go set them up and then I'll show you the finished product. So